Alright, I'm Jaden,
I'm Tyler.
and we're back with another Intro to Engineering Circuits video.
D2.
Yeah, today we're doing D2, as you can, oh wait, not on this page, I was going to say as you can see, but you can't really see because not on this page. That being said, today we're working on building this circuit using our trusty Arduino and breadboard circuit. So, explaining this, sorry, give me 1 second, are trying to use a relay, this giant block in the center of our breadboard here, to control this little thing, the motor, using a switch. So now it's on, let it go, it's off, on, etc. Right? So we have our 5 volts and our ground connected to this side of the breadboard here, right here, and then each of them are connected into either the switch or into the relay. So then our relay, or our ground is plugged into the relay at the 1 here, because 1 and 16 is kind of hard to see because they're super tiny, but you can kind of see that there. But like the 1 and the 16 are our ground there, and then all of the other pins are in and out. And so explaining that a little bit more, pins 4 and 6, I'll show you again, but pins 4 and 6 and then 13 and 11 are both connected, and then 4 and what is the other one? 13. Yeah, 4 and 13 are not connected to 8 or 9. So with that, we then plugged our switch on this side into our 16. Oh, it came out. But into 16 on this side, and then our diode here, as you can see, is fluid. Lord have mercy. Can't really see it. I don't know why. There you go. But you see that little gray stripe right there? That means that that's the end. The current flows through that point. So we would plug the non-gray side into our positive ground, which is connected to our 9-volt battery, and then the gray side, where the gray stripe is, into 13, which is there, and then our motor is connected to 9, so that our diode and our motor are connected, and then the other side is connected to the negative, or our ground, on our 9-volt battery. So with that, our motor is then able to move. But if we were to switch that and plug our motor into 11 on this side, where it's normally closed, the switch is normally closed now. It does runs until we close this with the switch. So then move it back so it's not like constantly running. And then once you do that, it's off and now on once you push again. And the reason that this happens is because the relay allows the switch to connect, because as soon as we take the relay out, the switch no longer works on this side. So because we figured that if we were to then plug our motor into here where the switch is, and then plug our diode in here, it automatically runs and doesn't allow for the switch to work at all. So taking that out and plugging this right back in to where it belongs on our breadboard, and then plugging our diode into 13 again, or 11 again. No, 13, I was right. And then this back into here, and then this back into 9. Our motor is now off, but then on with the switch.